Hello everyone, in this video I will share a video, how to make iPhone notifications sound louder. Watch this video until the end, pay attention to what I click on this iPhone screen. The volume button will not affect your iPhone's notification sound level if you haven't set it. If you want the volume button to be able to adjust your iPhone's notification sound, please activate the menu button below. Okay guys, I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to click subscribe and press the bell button so you get notifications of the latest videos from this channel.